We think the big opportunity in the technology space is digital transformation. Our thesis is over the next many years, industries far afield from the technology space are going to consume a significant amount of more technology as they seek to better understand their customers and their business processes with data, and then affect change with their relationships with their customers and business processes with software. So the US economy has been quite strong. We're at full employment right now. We're finding that more and more businesses are investing in technology to go after this digital transformation opportunity I've talked about. So we think the outlook for the tech environment is quite good. The valuation, though, when we look at the price that you're paying for the amount of earnings and free cash flow that the businesses are generating, looks quite reasonable. The sector is trading at a modest premium to recent levels, but nowhere near where we were in 1999, 2000, when the sector was in a bubble. It's been the highest growth sector over the past 3 years. We think that growth is going to continue on this theme of digital transformation. It's one of the highest quality sectors. So you've got a sector that is appropriately valued for the good growth and quality available to it. Certainly there's been some increased volatility in the sector as a result of the US-China trade war. That's been primarily causing uncertainty and volatility in the semiconductor space. But we found ways to benefit from that. For instance, the Chinese are desperate to become independent of the US semiconductor companies. So they're investing heavily in their own semiconductor industry. They're building fabs. And so they're using the equipment from many of the companies that we're invested in to do that. And so that's helping to offset some of the volatility we've seen in the semiconductor space. Quite frankly, recessions come every handful of years. They're a normal part of the economic cycle. We believe, however, that the fundamental backdrop for digital transformation is quite robust. When we talk with companies outside of the tech space who have been increasing their investment in tech, many of them are telling us that they're going to sustain those investments in tech because they can't afford to let themselves fall behind some of the digital disruptors that are coming into their markets. So we think the names we're investing in will prove to be resilient. So we certainly think that investors should have a diversified portfolio. But certainly with tech continuing to grow like it is, and our outlook for that growth going forward and the improving quality in the sector, we think it needs to be looked at as core to everybody's portfolio. Of course, it's important for investors to figure out what their risk tolerance is, but they should act like we do, which is take a very long-term focus. We're focused on the highest quality businesses run by managers that we think can operate in a variety of different market contexts. And then we tend to be aggressive when others are fearful.